Sometimes things feel like they're only getting worse, even when you're making that dua with all your heart. You ask, you beg, you cry, but nothing seems to change. In fact, it feels like the storm only gets heavier. That's where I was. Until I discovered something that helped me stay consistent, even when my duas felt like they were echoing into silence. Today, I'm sharing the exact strategies that helped me stay connected to Allah, even when it felt like my heart was breaking. A reminder, a tool, something to carry you through your hardest moments and plug you back into the power of the Almighty. Because even if the situation doesn't change right away, you do. And sometimes that's where the real miracle begins. But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows, while you know not. That verse, it changed everything for me. It reminded me that Allah's silence isn't rejection, it's protection. His delay isn't denial, it's preparation. I started to realize that dua wasn't just about getting what I wanted. It was about becoming who I needed to be to receive what was written for me. Now, I don't wait in pain. I wait with purpose. I don't just pray for things to change. I pray for my heart to stay soft, trusting, and strong. And that's why I created this gift, to help you hold on just like I did. To remind you, your voice matters. Your dua is seen, and your Lord is near. Keep praying. He's listening. Always.